Good morning, children. God bless you with good health and may you all be remain safe and indoors. My today's lesson is based on notice writing. Children, you must have done notice in your earlier classes. A notice is a written or printed information that can be in the form of an official statement of public importance or a warning in advance, or it can also be used for giving information to a segment of people or people at large. The basic purpose is to give information related to various issues or occasions. Notices are given generally in newspapers or magazines or displayed publicly on the notice board. When we talk about notice, we should take care of few simple things. First, notice is primarily meant to inform a large number of people, so it must be clear and brief. It is more like a circular. But the major difference is that circular reaches through a messenger while a notice is displayed either on notice board or a newspaper column. The main content, or the first we will talk about points to remember, that the purpose of the notice should be to inform the people. It should have a heading. It should be brief and precise. It should give all the required information in very simple and lucid language. This is the format. We started with the name of the institution. Here we mention date. Then we write notice. That can be written in separate lines. Then heading comes. Then the 5 answers of these 5 questions should come in a notice. What, when, where, how and whom to contact. Then the name of the person who is writing notice and the designation comes at last. This is one sample question. You are Mukul, the President, Cultural Forum of your school. You have organized an inter-school patriotic singing competition on Republic Day. Write a notice in about 50 words informing the students about this event. This notice is written in that way. First, we have to mention the name of the school. If the school name is not mentioned in the question, we would use an imaginary name, ABC Public School. Then in the second line, the word notice comes. Third line, date, and date should be written in this format. Date, name of the month, and then year. No commas and no full stops. Then heading comes. Heading is Inter-School Patriotic Singing Competition. It should start with the Cultural Forum of the school has organized an inter-school patriotic singing competition on the occasion of Republic Day on 26 January 2021. The program will held immediately after the flag hoisting ceremony at 9 a.m. Interested students should give their name to the undersigned by 30th of April, name of the person and designation. As I said, that a perfect notice is that which answers 5 questions. What, that is inter-school patriotic singing competition. When, date. Where, in the school. And how, any condition which is levied, like the program, about the program details we have given. 5th is whom to contact, like interested student will give their name to the undersigned and by what date it is also mentioned. At last we write the name of the person who is writing the notice and his designation comes. You have seen that notice is written indirectly, in formal language. We do not write I, my, me, we here. We simply write it in passive voice where the doer, where the action and the receiver of the action is important. So never write that I am the president and I am writing this notice. That notice will be cut entirely and the child will be penalized and no mark will be given for that. So while you are writing notice, you should take care that it should be completely in formal language. So this is the sample question that I have given you. The few things that you should remember here, that purpose of the notice should be to inform. Then the heading, which is again important, it should be brief and precise. Whatever the information you are providing, that should be provided in very simple language so that it would be clear to everyone. So this is today's class notice, and I'm giving you few practice questions that you will write in your fare registers and send to the group. The code of the today's class is 697. Thank you.